thinking I found my paradise. Sipping sangria with the sun blinding my eyes. And it feels like a dream, but it's really mine.
Dapat ang name ni Amari, isa lang, one word lang. Hindi kami magkasundo ng nanay niya, kaya ginawa namin dalawa. Yung Amari, galing sa akin. Yung Brielle, galing sa kanya.
Ang meaning ng Amari is parang tinupad ng Panginoon, bigay ng Panginoon. Then yung Brielle, warrior of God. Kaya pinagsama na lang namin.
Think that five-star hotels, living on the beach, driving fast cars is something you need. When money can't buy what you get for free, when money can't buy what you give to me. Champagne popping, yachts in the sea, living that life is not what it seems. 'Cause money can't buy what you get for free, no money can't buy what you give to me.
Amari, siguro mapapanood mo to 10 years ago. Siguro maging mabuting tao ka, kamukha namin ng nanay mo. Kung ano yung gustong tahakin mo sa buhay, susuportahan ka namin. Nandito lang kami para sa'yo, susuporta at gagabay sa'yo.
You can tell me I'm dreaming to wake me from my fantasy, yeah, yeah. Now it's there.
Happy birthday, Amari!
Happy first birthday, Amari!
Happy birthday, Amari! Happy birthday, Amari! God bless you always. Love by Nina.
Think that five-star hotels, living on the beach, driving fast cars is something you need. When money can't buy what you get for free, when money can't buy what you give to me.
Sana lumaki siyang may takot sa Diyos, mabait, masunurin, magalang, matalino, yung mapagmahal sa magulang. Yun ang wish ko.
What you give to me. What you give to me.
Amari, gusto ko lang sabihin na happy birthday, baby. Mahal na mahal ka namin ni Daddy, kahit na sobrang hirap ng pinagdadaanan namin. Wala yon. Kasi gusto namin na nandyan ka lagi. Paglaki mo, pag napanood mo to, maging masaya ka kasi ginawa namin to para sa'yo kasi mahal na mahal ka namin.
Is real or my imagination? Is this a dream or just an hallucination? This must be love. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is love.
Lumaking matalino, and then sana marami pang birthday na dumating sa kanya at saka maging success siya sa buhay niya. Ganun lang. Happy birthday, baby.
It's a dream. La, 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 la. It's a dream.
Sana maging healthy at lumaking matalino si Amari.
Marami pang birthday dumating sa buhay mo. Sana lumaki kang may takot sa Panginoon. Sana magpakabait ka.
It's a dream. It's a dream. This is like nothing I have ever seen. It's a dream. It's a dream.
Happy birthday, Amari!
We love you.
you.
Mwah.